Okay, welcome everyone. As we learn this wonderful Tuesday evening, the Mishna Yomis, as we are in the third parak of Moed Katan, learning Mishna Hey and Vav, 5 and 6, Hey and Vav, as we sponsored Lili Nishmas Yaakov Moshe ben Zev, Lefu Shalem for Eliyahu Moshe ben Chai Sarah, for the schus of Avram ben Yom Benish ben Malki Yehudis and family. We're also sponsored by the Fisher family, Lila Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, then Neshama should have an Aliyah by Yod Klugman and family of Fushalema for my Shver, Avigdor Aye ben Rivka and Meir ben Chaya Sarah. They should have a Refuah Shalema b'Seich Shar Chili Yisrael. Now, Mishnah Hay tells us, we know that today, if somebody dies before Yom Tov, if there was time for a person to sit Shiva even for moments, then the Yom Tov cancels the Shiva. Our Mishnah holds that in order for the Shiva to be canceled, there has to be 3 days before Yom Tov, so that is the Shloishi Yomim Lebechi, the 3 days for crying, and then Yom Tov cancels the rest of Shiva. So that's how our Mishnah opens up. Our Koiver Es Meisai, one who buries his dead Shloishi Yomim Koidmun L'Regel, 3 days before the festival, but Leimen Exeris Shiva, then it cancels the rest of Shiva. Shmaina, if it's 8 days before the festival, so the 7 days is Shiva and the 8th day is the first day of Shloishim, then it cancels the rest of Shloishim. But Leimen Exeris Shloishim. We hold that even if it's 7 days, it cancels Shloishim, because we say that the first part of the 7th day mixes a Yom Kekula is the Shiva, and the second part is mixes Yom Kekula of the Shloishim. Mibnei She'amru, now, it points out that by Shabbos it's not that way. Shabbos doesn't cancel Shiva, because then there would never be a Shiva, right? Shabbos doesn't cancel it, but rather it is included in the count. Shabbos Oila, Shabbos is counted as one of the days of Shiva. Ve'enam Mafsekes, it doesn't terminate the Shiva. Regalim Yom Tov Mafsikin cancels the Shiva, but Ve'enan Oilan, if the Shiva didn't start yet, so then it doesn't count as days of the Shiva. You do the full Shiva after Yom Tov. And the reason, the difference between Shabbos and Yom Tov is Shabbos is only Einig, while Yom Tov is Simcha. And therefore Simcha and Avelis are mutually exclusive, so Yom Tov can never count as Shiva. Rebbe Eliezer says, what about Shavuos? So he says, at the time of the Beis Hamikdash, where Shavuos, if you didn't bring your carbon for Shavuos, you had 7 days, so it's like a 7-day Yom Tov. So then it would be like Pesach and Sukkot. But after the destruction of the temple, where in Eretz Yisrael, Shavuos is only 1 day, so it has the din like Shabbos. Rebbe Eliezer, Mishachar of Beis Hamikdash, once the Beis Hamikdash was destroyed, Atzeres Keshabbos. So Shavuos is like Shabbos, that it doesn't cancel the Shiva, but rather counts as a day of the Shiva. Rabbi Gamliel says, Rosh Hashanah v'Yom HaKippurim K'Regalim. Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur also terminate the Shiva. If somebody dies right before Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur Lo Yaleinu, it interrupts the Shiva. The Chacham say, like K'divrei Zeh, like K'divrei Zeh. They disagree with Rebbe Eliezer, they disagree with Rabbi Gamliel. El Atzeres K'Regalim, they hold that Shavuos, even now, when it's only 1 day in Eretz Yisrael, it cancels the Shiva like a Pesach and Sukkot. However, Rosh Hashanah and Yom HaKippurim, which are not days of Simcha because of Emes Hadin, they're Shabbos, they're like Shabbos, where the day is counted, but it doesn't terminate the Shiva. We hold that Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur also terminate the Shiva, and of course we hold Shavuos also terminates the Shiva. We want to thank you, Rabbi Isai, for joining us. Remind you that tomorrow night in Yirtzeh Hashem will be a Chumash Shir on Parashas Bereishis. We do have sponsors, but the sponsors are both from my inner circle. If anybody from out there in TorahAnytime.com land wants to sponsor as well, or YouTube land, or Kolaloshin Land, 718-916-3100, rmmwsi@aol.com. And also remind you that there are already 3 Bereishis Shiurim and my prefatory remarks that tell them for Israel on YouTube that you could check out. If you do, remember to subscribe. Thank you for joining us, and have a wonderful evening.